All right, today we're going to do an exercise called the spider walk, and it looks like this. Okay, that's step one. The trick is we're going to assign a finger to each fret. Okay, in this case, my pointer finger is going to go on the first fret of the low E string. Okay, then my middle goes on the second, ring on the third, and then pinky on the fourth. And while I'm doing this, while I'm picking each one of these, kind of want to keep these fingers in the right neighborhood here. So not like just my pointer with everybody else flying wild and then bringing in my middle. You want to keep them all kind of hovering right where you think they're going to be. Okay, where they're going to be used next. So here comes, and if you look at my right hand, which is over there, you'll notice that I'm alternate picking. So each note, as I go from one string to the next, it's down, up, and so on. Okay, so that is exercise number one, is just simply, even maybe on one string, just assigning a finger to each fret and playing them one at a time while I'm alternating my right hand down, up, down. Okay, that's step one. Step two is go to the next string and do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next string, down, up, and so on. If you can go all the way through that whole box, all the way up to and including the high E string, you're in business. There's another add-on to this, but I want to keep this first video short, and I want you to get used to assigning a finger to each fret and then going to the next string. And if you can't do it very fast yet, don't worry. Nobody can the first time you're doing it. I recommend using a metronome like this, okay? And so I'm going to use this, and you could go at any speed you want. That would be a slower, but it's keeping you even, so you're playing to a particular speed. Over time, you could speed it up, right? Not necessary that you get there quickly, but that's something you can build your pace up to. So by using a metronome, you can incrementally go from your slow pace and then pick it up 1 beat per minute every couple of days, another beat per minute. And before you know it, if this is part of your practice routine, you'll go from this slow in the beginning to much faster over time. Practice slow, learn fast. Miyagi-Do. All right, let's move it up into a place that might be easier for you to play it. So remember, you use the dots on the neck. That shows you what fret you're on, 3rd, 5th, 7th. Let's try it setting it up on the 7th fret, because that spacing is going to be a little bit kinder on your fingers, okay? But you still have a dot as a marker. I liked originally demonstrating it here, and that way you know I'm on the 1st fret. But now I'm going to slide it up to here, starting on the 7th fret. Pointer, middle, ring, pinky, or 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th frets. Notice I'm alternate picking with my right hand. My left hand, all those fingers are kind of staying together, almost like it's a itsy bitsy spider crawling up the water spout. Okay, and that's it. We'll do a derivative of that in the next video, but for now, practice that. Practice getting those fingers assigned and practice that alternate picking. Good luck, have fun, check out the next one.